Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am sharing about Microsoft Office mobile app and how to use it freely using your school or work account. Now let's move to Play Store, as I am using Android now. For iPhone or iOS device you can open your App Store and download the app. Now let's search for Microsoft Office, and here you can see Microsoft Office app. Just click install here. It's in process of downloading. There are many other apps which we can use to edit or create new docs, but I prefer using Microsoft Office. Now let's open this app. Hello, it's first time. Get started and connect your account. Next, close. Now let's connect one account here. You can use your office or work account. Here I am using my office account, and now it's facing files. You can get your files within this home, and next we have plus icon here. If you click here you can get option to create notes, lanes and documents. If you click notes you can create new notes. By clicking lanes you can capture or scan your documents and save. Next you have documents. From here you can create new documents. Now let's close this. Next we have actions. From here you can see transfer files, share files between your phone and computer, share nearby, share files to or from nearby phones. You can share files by these two features. You can share files by using these features. And next you have option convert to text in image, image to text, image to table. Next you have sign a PDF. You can add your signature to a PDF file, scan to PDF, picture to PDF, document to PDF and PDF to Word. Next, scan QR code. Readers with course preview. Here you can use practice your presentation with presenter course 2. Now let's move to home, or here in plus icon. Let's create one document blank, or you can use create from template option in Word. This is for Word option and Excel, PowerPoint. Here you can see Word, Excel, PowerPoint file option. You can use scan option or create new from template or create a blank document. Now let's check for Word document, create from template. From here you can choose different templates. By this way you can create document in this Office mobile app. Now let's save it and get back and create new blank Excel file. Here you can see Excel file. You can get more options from here. If you want to edit, you can just click edit, fill color, font, margin center, wrap text, text direction. You can get all the features in this mobile app too. Next, documents and PowerPoint. Create from template. Now let's create one PowerPoint. Here you can see double tap to add title, double tap to add subtitle. You can click by this way and edit files. Here you can see scan to PDF option. Using this feature, you can create PDF file from handwritten copies of your documents. Now let's try this scan to PDF. Here you can see now let's capture it. You can adjust and crop by this way. Now let's confirm. Now it's done. You can add new we have scanned 2 copies, 1, 2. Similarly, you can add more to next. Done. Here you can see scan document. You can also give number to each page and scan by this way. Here you can see share icon. You can click share icon to share this file in social media or in your email or move to any place. You can also use print option. Let's get back now. Let's save it first. Where to save? You can set location to save. It's saving now. I have saved in OneDrive. It's done. You can also use pictures to PDF option to create PDF file from pictures that you have captured. You can use by this way. You can select the picture and create PDF. Now PDF is created. Discard PDF to Word. You can convert PDF to a Word document too. You can use this to convert PDF to Word. Here it's in process of opening. Conversion in progress. Here you can see Word document. Previously it was in PDF format. You can use scan QR code too. Similarly, you can use rest of the features available here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe button if you haven't done it, and click the bell icon for upcoming videos.